can see it too.
Just
Just grab one. Wait.
Is that all right for you? Huh? You want to?
You got the jitters out now.
Higher than what it's supposed to be. Right now you're getting it higher.
Okay, I'm ready. Okay.
Yep.
Take it off and put it out.
Put it on fire.
All right, now I shoot it. It's gonna pop back. I'm ready.
Yeah.
Jason, just hold it. It's good.
Don't point it anywhere over here.
And then just hold it comfortably. When you're about to shoot, breathe out so it calms you down while you shoot.
Where's the light?
That's
Don't
right.
move. It's on safe.
Yeah.
So both hands. All right, Jason, come on. And this finger.
Yep.
How should I stand?
Yep.
This stance is fine.
And then
Put your fingers up.
I think you a couple times. 14.
How far does it go? Like what size range is that the handgun? That's why I see how far it is. Drew, you shooting? Huh? No, you go ahead and shoot. Yeah. How much longer we got?
We don't have time to.
She just shot the whole
Good shot. That's a good shot.
and I got it on video.
You hit the drip.
What's that for? Just loading it up?
Yeah, yeah.
Gun man in your hole. Gun man in your hole.
Dragging the body over
Next, who's next?
got some free shots and stuff. We in these Orlando streets, feel me? Yo, Orlando's a vibe, I cannot lie. Oh my god. Oh, and they got tacos on the street, hold up. Wow, my cat. Oh. The festivities are over. We just had some bomb tacos. It's busting. But it's giving Times Square, it's giving Miami, it's giving the outside. I got churros. What else? Man, Orlando's a vibe, low key. I wasn't expecting this, but yeah, we out here. So my hand should stay here?
No, don't. No.
You can go.